London might be a far cry from the Mediterranean, but we can certainly bring a hint of it to our doorsteps with Ollie. He's otherwise known as an olive tree, and while he may seem terribly exotic, olive trees are actually a great choice for container gardens, and they look wonderful surrounding a doorway or a porch. Although he won't produce edible olives, if you give him a sunny spot, he will more than make up for it with his elegant style. It's really important when you're planting him up to make sure that his soil is extra well draining. I'd recommend adding in some horticultural sand or gravel to the compost to make sure that the water will run freely. Think about where olive trees normally thrive. They're on dry Mediterranean groves, and you want to try and recreate that, which means no overly watered pots. Always make sure you check the soil first, and if it feels nice and dry, only water then. Otherwise, if it's winter or autumn, you can probably just let nature take its course. You can recreate that Mediterranean vibe by pairing Ollie with a Terra Cotta pot, and regardless of whether you've got a small balcony or a large roof terrace, patch stock him in 2 sizes, so there's something that should suit you.